Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, experiencing a decline of 7.04% thus far. This reflects an average daily loss of 0.64% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a continued rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 36.42% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 11.16% to 65.92%. Evaluating the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 46.46%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 9.61% and 306.22% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.34 and $16.09. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for BigBear.ai Holdings Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The stock price for BigBear.ai Holdings experienced a decline of 2.22% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, falling from $4.05 to $3.96. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 9.69%, ranging from a low of $3.92 to a high of $4.30. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased on 6 occasions, resulting in a total decline of 7.04%. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 22 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 204 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $808,180,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands at 61.74%, or $6.39, below the 52-week high, and 75.43%, or $12.16, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when it peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the ticker BBAI, has recently made headlines following significant developments and reports that could impact its stock price. On the 17th of June, the company announced the deployment of enhanced biometric technology for passenger processing at major U.S. and international airports, showcasing its commitment to improving national security measures. This advancement not only positions BigBear as a leader in AI-driven solutions, but also signifies potential for increased revenue as demand for security innovations rises. However, investor sentiment has been mixed. Just days prior, on the 13th of June, BigBear's stock saw a decline of 2.87%, reflecting broader market concerns and indicating that the company hasn't consistently met investor expectations since its SPAC debut in late 2021. Compounding these challenges, ongoing investigations into potential fiduciary breaches by its board members have raised red flags, leading to class action lawsuits, which could create uncertainty around financial statements and legal liabilities. Meanwhile, despite a substantial backlog of $385 million, the company's deep losses and erratic revenue streams amplify the risks associated with investment in BBAI. In the short term, these legal challenges and financial inconsistencies could lead to increased volatility in its stock price. In the long term, successful deployments of their AI solutions and resolution of legal issues could foster a more stable growth trajectory, positively influencing investor confidence and stock valuation. Overall, while there are promising initiatives underway, significant challenges remain that could deter immediate investments. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade, along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright again assigned BBAI a buy grade, together with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. There are mixed signals regarding the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and since then it has declined by 11.8%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, the volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock warrants closer monitoring. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support at the levels of $3.89 and $3.70. Should the price break below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 150 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $3.85. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 380 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 9.69%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.97%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies may experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year, 2025, is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -7 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.05. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.85. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 6th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider purchase of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC conducted an insider purchase of 65,822 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. conducted an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Fulcino Paul E. conducted an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Canino Peter Anthony Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 94.146. In total, insiders purchased 2,795,254 shares and sold 136,359,620 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.81, which represents a decline of 3.9%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 16 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis for this stock from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of June, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by 1/10 of a dollar, starting at $4.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.